Okay, let me share with you a few key techniques that'll make your running easier and your training a lot more effective. First of all, you never want to have a tense upper body. Relax that upper body. You don't want to clench your face, clench your fists, nothing like that. Just nice and relaxed. The only thing that should be working when you're running are your lungs and your legs. So you need to take full, big, deep breaths, almost like you're yawning. Big inhales, big exhales while you're stepping. All right? Your arm swings, very key as well. You want to pump those arms. Get in a nice rhythm with your legs. Your arm swing should come up about to your chest, cross your hips, and just a little bit behind you. That's the natural motion of the arms while you're running. The next thing is heel-toe contact. If you're running on hard-packed sand or pavement, you want to hit the heel first, roll across the foot, push off with the toes. Now, if you're running in the soft sand, which you will at buds, you want to keep looking for these footprints. Stepping like this, almost shuffling, stepping in, digging in with your toes. And I'll show you how to do that right now. In SEAL training, we do all kinds of running, and a lot of it. Day and night, in wet sand, on dry sand, up and down the dunes, on pavement, and always in our boots. Sometimes we even carry our fins.